welcome to Delphi Tube from Qasim Shahzad, and today we will learn about the multi-paste feature of Delphi. It is here in edit menu. We have multi-paste feature. And we can use it. First of all, its name is not quite right because multi-paste has some different meanings in some other software. Its name should be something else, but let us first see how it works so that we can name it better. Suppose we have this line, and this is our main form, simple button T memo, and suppose we have this line of text and we want to add it into memo. Suppose we have, let us get it out. Suppose we have this line of text, we want to add to into memo, and for this we need to add it to memo like this. Essentially, we need to add this content before this text and this content after this text. So it is easy for one line or two line, but what if we have say 10 lines, 20 lines or 40 lines or hundreds of lines? That will be a difficult thing to do. For example, let us see, we have these lines. We want to add this text, these 40 lines to the memo, and now we have to manually add this text before each line, add this text after each line, and it's very cumbersome. And for this, Delphi has this feature. Let us see, edit multi-paste. So here we will see, we will add memo 1 dot lines dot add, and this parenthesis, and after each we will add this, but we also need to add quotation mark here and quotation mark here, this single quotation mark. So it shows us a preview of how it will look like. Also, it's escape codes. We can escape codes. For example, if we are adding some SQL query, we can use that. Or also trim clipboard contents. It will remove blank lines and tabs, etc. from spaces and tabs before and after text. So let us see it's okay, and let us paste it. Let us move all this and do it again so that it's clearer and better. Here we go in multi-paste. That text is already on clipboard, and we will add this before each line, add this text after each line, escape codes if there are codes, and trim clipboard contents. Okay, and here it is. Just save all and run, or just for the enjoyment of running. So this is a little bit time saving feature, and for different and complex tasks like this, we can use Notepad++ or some other programmable tool. Altride, it is one of the best tool here, and we can use it also. So that's all for this short video. We have this multi-paste feature, and as you can guess, its name multi-paste is not good because we are only it is not adding multiple clipboard. We are adding a single clipboard and adding adding some text before and after each line. It is useful for adding SQL queries. It is useful for adding HTML text, and what else. You got the point. Whenever you need this quick feature, you can use that. And that's all for now. And are you learning new things fast, or watching social media? Because as you know, being a programmer is very hard, and nowadays it's becoming tougher, and due to all these AI revolutions. Although I believe it will be better for us in the long run, but for short run there are many challenges, and we need to learn fast to adapt ourselves to the new scenarios. And please like, subscribe, and share the video if you want to create me to create if you want to let me create more content. Otherwise, I will also watch social media. Have a great time.